Today, I will draw the most beautiful solar system in the universe. Whoa, Leo, are those the new glow-in-the-dark markers? Yes, they can glow like real stars. Please, Leo, can I borrow your blue marker? Just for my big ocean. Sure, Toby, here you go. Awesome, thanks, Leo.
Okay, class, let's bring our beautiful ideas to life.
I need to draw my planets. But the blue is gone. Can I also have the red marker, Leo? Just for a tiny rocket flame? The red one too? Here is the red one. I will need it back soon. Thanks, Leo. I'll be super fast. My planet looks so gray. I wanted it to glow. Swoosh! The red rocket is super fast. This is amazing. Leo, can I please use the yellow one too? For the stars. The yellow one? But... Okay, you can take it too. You are the best, Leo. Thanks. Now... I wanted to be a good friend, but now I have nothing. Tick-tock! The class is passing by so fast. Should I ask him? Toby, can I? Oh, I can't. This yellow is like real starlight. Look, look! His picture is so bright, and mine is so quiet. Hey, Leo, why don't you draw a cool black hole first? A black hole? But I want stars. Oh no, only 10 minutes left. What should I do? I want it to be nice, but this is too hard. Look, Leo, my cosmic rocket is finally complete. It glows so brightly. It looks really beautiful, Toby. You did a great job. He forgot, and I still don't know how to ask.
It is so empty, just like my courage.
Why did I say yes to everything? I should have said no.
Everyone is so happy, but I am just stuck.
Hello, Leo. Why is your beautiful rocket still hiding in your mind?
I gave all my colors to Toby, Miss Sarah. He asked so nicely. I wanted to say no, but I was scared he would be mad at me.
Oh, Leo. It is wonderful that you want to be a kind and helpful friend. But true friends also want you to be happy and finish your own work too.
Is it really okay to say no? How do I say it nicely?
It is absolutely okay, and I have a magical 3-step trick to help you.
A magic trick? Tell me, please.
Step 1. Start with a kind word. You can say, I'd love to help. Step 2. Say but and explain why. Like, but I am drawing my planets now.
But I am drawing my planets?
Step 3. Offer another choice. Say, maybe later, or we can share in 10 minutes.
Wow, it is like a magic spell. I can say no and still be a good friend.
Exactly, Leo. You are a wonderful friend. Try it, you can do it.
Leo, thanks for the yellow. Now, can I please borrow your shiny purple one? I can do this. Time for my magic words. I'd love to help you with your cosmic drawing, Toby. But I'm using the purple marker right now to color my rocket. I can share it with you in 10 minutes, okay? Oh, that's absolutely fine, Leo. I can wait. No problem. Here are your blue, red, and yellow markers back. Thank you for sharing.
Well done, Leo. You did it beautifully.
Now, let's build my glowing purple planet together! Look at this purple giant! It's going to be the center of my galaxy! Whoa, Leo! That purple planet looks way better than my rocket! Hey, Toby! Want to add some blue stars around my big planet? I am adding the blue rings. It looks like a real space storm. And I will add the red fire at the back. Amazing. Look! Our galaxy is glowing together! It is so beautiful!
This is a wonderful masterpiece. Sharing with boundaries is the best way to paint together.
We did it, Toby. Best friends. Best friends forever, Leo. Oh, Achand, you want to borrow my blue marker too? But Psst, Toby, remember our magical 3-step trick. You can do it. I would love to help you with your stars, really. But I am still coloring my sky right now. How about I share it with you in 5 minutes? Is that okay? You did it, Toby. You used the magical words. Saying no nicely is our super magic power. Just one more purple line, and my magic galaxy is finished. Here you go, Toby, just like I promised. Your turn. Thanks, Leo. I will use it carefully for my spaceship. Look, Toby. Both of our galaxies are shining so bright. All markers are back in their places, Leo. Thank you so much.
I am so proud of you both. Your beautiful art and your kindness are wonderful.
We are a great team. The best team ever. Look, Toby. Our glowing planets are shining together on our desks.
Remember, my dear children, helping others is good, but saying no politely is also a wonderful superpower.
Now, I know how to say no politely. It is so easy.
And we are still the best of friends. See you next time. Say no nicely and be happy.
All right, team. Play with honor.
This is it. It's Simona Giscondo, the big game.
Come on, Leo. We can win this.
I hope so, Sam.
Go, go, go!
Leo, over here. Pass it. Got it, Sam. Got it. Time to score.
Keep moving. Trust each other.
Take the shot, Sam.
Here we go!
No way! He saved it.
Go back. Watch their number 4. No, stop him. No, they scored. We are losing.
Halftime, boys. Come here.
I am so tired. Can we really beat them? We have to.
Listen, it is not over yet.
Let's do this. Right behind you.
Focus. Second half starts now.
Push forward. Let's go. They are blocking me. Leo, here. I am open. Watch out! Intercepted! No, we can't get past them. Keep trying, Sam. We still have time. All right, let's do it. My turn now. Let's build this. Too slow. I'm past. Send it wing. I'm ahead.
1, 2.
Got it back.
That is it. Perfect teamwork.
Now, the chance is here. For the team! The ball is free. I've got it. Watch out! He's sliding! No space. Help me. Pass it back, Sam. Here. Leo, get it! Too fast. I must reach it. Oh no. No way through. Last chance. Push harder. Pass it, Leo! I'm open! I won't let you.
Make it count, Leo.
Now, the shoot! Penalty! That is a penalty! Hey, listen to me. What is it, Sam? Stay down. Pretend it hurts bad. What? No, that is cheating. It is not cheating. We need this win. The cup. In the city's beam hard. We worked so hard.
Seconds are ticking, Leo. Decide.
He is coming. What do I do?
Are you okay, son? Was it a trip? Was it a trip?
Just stay down, Leo. No, I have to be honest. Sir, I am fine. It was not a trip.
That is true sportsmanship, young man. No penalty.
Leo, why? We had the penalty.
Winning by cheating is not winning, Sam.
I guess you are right. Go, Sam, run! Pass it here. Let's do this right. To you, Sam.
That's it. Drive it home.
Finish it, Leo. so close. We played so well.
Great game, Leo. You play with honor.
Thank you. Congratulations on the win.
I have never been prouder of a team.
They are clapping for us.
We lost the game. But we won together, Leo.
We lost the game, but we won together, Leo.
Welcome to Megamart, kids.
Yay! I love shopping.
Me too, Mommy. Let's check our shopping list.
What do we need first, Mom?
We need apples and milk. Remember rule number 1, stay close to Mommy.
Okay, Mommy.
I will protect Lily.
Look, red apples.
Great job, Henry. Put 4 apples in the cart.
1, 2, 3, 4. Where is the milk?
It is over there, in the fridge.
I see the blue milk box.
Now, let's go to aisle 3 for snacks.
Yay! Snacks!
Look, Mommy, pretty lights over there. Look at all these fresh vegetables.
So many bright colors.
I see orange carrots. Lily, can you pick 3 carrots?
Yes. 1, 2, 3.
These carrots look crunchy. Look at this big watermelon.
It is so heavy.
Yes, watermelons are very heavy. Henry, please walk slowly. No running.
Sorry, Mom. I will walk.
Walk like a turtle. Next item, cereal box.
I love chocolate cereal.
Me too, chocolate cereal. Apples, milk, and carrots are in the cart.
You two are wonderful helpers.
Teamwork. Let's turn left here, children.
Oh,
Look at the teddy bear over there.
it is glowing.
Here we are, aisle 3. I can see the cereal boxes.
Ooh.
Look at the colorful bears. Wow, a glowing teddy bear.
It changes colors, Mom.
It is very pretty, sweetie. Henry, come look at the cereal section here.
Coming, Mom. Let's find chocolate.
I want to watch the bear.
Hello, little bear. Where are you going?
Look, Mom, the chocolate cereal is up there. Oh, yes, that is a high shelf.
Wait here, Henry. Let me help you reach it.
Okay, Mom. Mommy? Henry? Where are you?
Remember rule number 2. Stop and stay. Do not run. I am big now. I can reach it by myself. Whoa! The boxes are shaking!
Careful, Henry. Always ask an adult for high items.
I am sorry, Mom. It is too high.
Wait, Henry, where is Lily? She was looking at the bear.
Look for the red uniform. Staff are safe.
There is a red badge. Hello.
Hello, little one. Can I help you?
I lost my mommy. Can you help me?
Of course. What is your mommy's name?
Her name is Elena. She wears a yellow jacket.
You are very smart, Lily. Let's find her.
Let's check the toy display again. I can help look on the left side.
We are going to the customer service desk.
Will we use the microphone?
Yes, we can call your mommy.
Excuse me, I am looking for my daughter Lily.
She has a pink shirt and cloud backpack. Ready, Lily? Let's call mommy.
Ready.
Attention shoppers, Lily is waiting at customer service.
I am right here, Mommy.
Listen, that is Lily's voice. She is at customer service. Let's go. Customer service is right around the corner.
I see Lily. She is waving.
Mommy, Henry.
Over here.
Look, Lily. Your family is here.
Oh, Lily, I am so glad you are safe.
I stopped and stayed, Mommy.
Good job, Lily. You were so brave to ask for help.
I looked for the red badge.
Lily is a safety hero.
Thank you so much for helping Lily.
Thank you, Mr. David.
You are very welcome. Have a great day.
Now let's stay together all the time.
I am holding Lily's hand.
Hand in hand. Here is the checkout counter. Let's put the apples on the belt.
And the cold milk, too.
Here is our receipt. All done.
I can carry the apples bag.
I hold the cereal bag. Let's review our safety rules. Rule number 1,
Stay close to Mommy.
hold hands all the time. Rule number 2, if you get lost,
Stop and stay. Do not run away.
stay in a safe spot. Rule number 2, if you get lost,
Stop and stay. Do not run away.
stay in a safe spot. And rule number 3, ask staff with red uniform or badge.
They are safe helpers.
Have a safe and happy shopping trip, everyone.
Bye-bye, friends.
See you next time. Look left and look right before walking.
Left is clear. Right is clear.
Safe to walk. Let's put our groceries in the trunk.
Apples go in first.
And my cereal bag.
Carrots are in too. All done. Great teamwork, kids. Now time to ride home.
Remember to buckle your seatbelt.
Click. My seatbelt is locked. Click.
Mine too. Everyone is safe. Time to drive home.
I am ready, Mom.
Let's sing a song. Goodbye, Megamart. What a great shopping day. Cold milk goes into the fridge.
Great job, Henry. On the middle shelf.
Keep it cold.
I am washing the red apples. Clean water makes them fresh.
Fresh and shiny.
Let's prepare a healthy snack.
Apple slices and carrots.
Yummy, crunchy snack. Here is a glass of milk for each of you.
Thank you, Mom. Milk gives us power. Thank you, Mommy.
To our wonderful shopping adventure.
Cheers. Cheers, Mommy.
What new words did we learn today?
Aisle 3, cart and receipt. And red badge staff.
Time for safety agent game. Agent Lily is ready.
Show me your safety rules, agents. Rule 1, never climb high shelves. Ask Mom.
Excellent, Agent Henry.
Safety first.
Rule 2, look for uniform and name badge.
They will help us find Mom.
You remembered so well, Lily.
The sofa is over there.
The teddy bear is next to me.
Wonderful position words. You passed the test. Here are your safety badges.
Golden Star Agent Henry, Golden Star Agent Lily. Stay close, stop and stay. Ask for help right away. Safe and happy every day.
Time for a bedtime story about our supermarket day.
I love bedtime stories.
With the glowing teddy bear. Look at our picture book. What is this?
That is the silver shopping cart.
And red apples. What should we do with high items on shelves?
Never climb. Always ask an adult.
Ask mommy or dad.
If I get separated, I find the red badge.
Yes, supermarket staff are safe helpers.
They will call mommy for you.
And the most important rule when lost?
Stop and stay.
Stop and stay right there. Good night, my brave little safety heroes. Sweet dreams.
Good night, Mom. Good night, Mommy.
Thank you for learning with us today. Stay safe and see you soon.